One of the things I appreciate about you, George, is that you're so optimistic. I actually, the first time I ever saw your channel was because Bitcoin fell like 5 or 10% over a minute or two. And I just searched, why is Bitcoin falling? This is like way back in the day, years and years ago. And I saw your channel. You're the only one talking about it. But I stuck around because you're so optimistic about crypto. And everyone else in the bear market is talking about how Bitcoin's going to fall to 10,000, 12,000. They're all out. They're going to go all in or start dollar cost averaging when it falls to certain prices. You say, it could fall further, but I'm going to dollar cost average. This is the smart thing to do. Why are you so consistently positive in crypto?
Well, at the beginning of the stream, I did talk about, my own failings, right? 2008, didn't understand what was going on. Even before that, in the dot-com bubble, 2000, I was investing in stocks. Everything fell. I didn't understand. 2008, I didn't understand. And even 2013 with Bitcoin, when it fell down, I didn't understand. So I finally decided, like, hey, I'm old enough now. I've been through so many of these crashes. I need to do better, right? What has been a common theme? Me selling out and not continuing forward, holding and DCing. And then I started paying more attention to some of the other people that are out there. The ones that, long-term investors with equities or Bitcoin, the richest people out there are the ones that have basically held the longest. And all these big, gigantic, self-made billionaires, they all come out and say the same thing. I didn't make my billions by trying to outsmart the market. I didn't make my billions by day trading. How I made my billions is I buy when things are low and I sell when things are high, or prices, I should say, right? That's every single one. Every self-made billionaire said that. So I'm like, okay, so I put two and two together. I got to learn from my mistakes and then also look at all these super successful people. What have they done? So I came up, ultimate strategy is HODL plus DCA, and it really works. It does. And time again, like I'll just show, like sometimes I show, like what Michael Saylor has done or what others have done. And sometimes before I used to show like a DCA calculator, like had you DCA'd every single day or every single week, where would you be at, right? Yeah. And people were quite surprised that, hey, if you just DCA'd every single day the same amount, even at, I think it was like 28,000 or something, you would have broke even already, even if you started buying at the very top. I mean, DCA is just so powerful. It's just that not a whole lot of people follow it, right? So anyways, going back to my point, I'm optimistic because I finally understand what Bitcoin is all about. The more you learn about it, the more optimistic you are about it, the more bullish you are on it. And combine that with the metrics that I look at basically every single day, which shows Bitcoin's fundamentals at an all-time high. And then you combine that with the fact that, I just learned from my mistakes, knowing that DCA is the way now, right? You put it all together. That's why I'm so optimistic. I don't try to outsmart the market. I don't try to trade the market. I just go with the winning strategy. That's all.
Sure.